Hello, I'm Michael Glass from the FXcast Market Analysis team. This is our FXcast Market Analysis trading plan. In each of our videos, we try to identify high probability trading setups. We'll evaluate the gold chart to see if there's any leading sentiment. We will create a low volatility watch list, an inside bar watch list, and we'll review the economic calendar to see if there are any releases that could affect our open and new trades. As always, please send your comments and feedback to analysis@fxcast.com. As usual, we are starting off with the gold chart. We can see that we've got the pullback that we thought we were going to get eventually. Of course, the market rebounded somewhat today, and so therefore gold got a pullback. But you can see in our new trading session, we're already making a track back up. What I would watch is we look at our market profile. There's a couple things to watch. Right here, we can see 1850. And remember, the point of control used to be 1853, so that makes sense. So we definitely want to watch where price action is happening now. We also want to watch this next level here. Whoops. Which is going to be at 1863, and that would match over when we drew this over, drag this over. There was a little peak right in here. So 1850, right where we are now. This 1864, and of course where the point of control is up here at 1880. We are oversold, and that's why we're seeing our bounce. The question is on the daily chart where we're going to go. Clearing the buyers in control. So with the weak dollar, what did we see? Well, we saw more of the same. Once again, on a daily, we see a consolidation at the 1.64 or right above the 1.64 price level. So, and we can see volume continues to be light. So just like we needed volume to break through this resistance, we need volume once again to get us through all of this congestion. We can see on our hourly time frame the range that the market has been in. Looks like we're coming back down to test that range. We can see that the dollar has taken control here, got a little divergence, which is why we see the pullback. And we'll see what happens when we get back down to 1.46. We can see the pound kind of moving sideways. We can see the dollar moving sideways with a little spike up. So again, that's our dollar taking control. That's our price pulling back. With the euro dollar, we can see that we are basically getting out of this wedge, but more importantly, we're continuing this consolidation. Again, I say sit on hands and let something go. Look at our moving averages, moving parallel. There is no trend here. We're in a range. There's nothing to trade. Trade at your own risk. Look at the drop off in volume today. On the profile, we can see the range that we've been in. We got a breakout to the downside, a little breakout to the top side, but we're right back in. And of course, when we did get a breakup, we had to look at the fact that on our last breakout, we basically went up and tested it again. So now we have a double top here on the hourly time frame. The dollar did take control here at the close. And, sideways action just like the pound with the dollar spiking up a little bit. And that's what's bringing our price down. But again, the bigger story is consolidation. There's nothing to trade here. And the theme of consolidation continues as we look at the dollar franc. We can see more sideways, inside bar at the inside bar at the inside bar. We have a much larger range that we're watching on hourly time frame. We're above our long-term moving average. We're still in a neutral zone. The dollar is taking control, and that's allowing price to move higher. So maybe if we can get above some of these wicks here on a daily, we can finally get up and have a true test of the 50 moving average. As we come to our watch list, for our low volatility watch list, we have the dollar Canadian and the pound dollar. Again, all of our pairs seem to be in a range, some more tighter than others. So we'll see what happens. Our inside bar watch list is the dollar Canadian and the pound yen. So, again, what we're seeing is a lot of range bound action, and you have to expect that after the large volatility we've had for 2 weeks. The market is breathing, and we'll see if we'll get a big move one way or the other. We're looking for catalysts, we're looking for things that can move the market. So, let's go ahead to the economic calendar. On the calendar, we can see that once again it's pretty light. We've got petroleum, durable goods in the States, and then up here in Germany, we have the survey economic sentiment from yesterday carrying over in today. So another light day on economic news. So again, what's going to be the catalyst to move the market? We would like to thank you for watching our FXcast market analysis. As we continue to improve and make adjustments so that you're getting value from our videos, we want you to take the time to give us feedback, give us comments, send us questions about what you would like to see in our videos, and you can send those comments and feedbacks to analysis@fxcast.com, or you can post to our daily forum. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.